in sort of campaigning and the process involved, which I find really, really useful. I've also actually, for my own teaching, I will be able to take back some new kind of ideas that I can use in the classroom, which I think is really, really useful. And the students themselves, I think they've learned a whole host of skills in terms of being able to work with other students in sort of real team building activities, and also obviously the campaigning skills.
First of all, I've learned that if I want to run a campaign successfully, I need to plan out before going straight for the audience. And I learned that one person cannot do the job. You need the strength, you need teamwork to do a big campaign.